Hey guys, it's Jared here. We are going to unboxing this Lego Star Wars, but it's different in English called Star Wars. We're going to unboxing Millennium Falcon here, but it is mini scale, but it's not midi scale. I don't know the different language, but yeah, I'm going to build and you guys need to wait until I build finish. Okay. And see you later. Hey guys, we are back and we are done building the Lego Millennium. I can modify it a bit. It's here. Yeah. And 3, 2, 1. Here it is. The Lego Millennium Falcon. Hey, how come this fall off? That's weird. Let's stick it back. Mercy. It's over here. Seriously. This one over here. Yeah. Sorry guys, this kind of hurt. Here. Everything keep on falling off. We need to put it at a better angle so that this is so bouncy. So we put it here. Okay, here, put it here. And this is the Lego Millennium Falcon. Oops, it's upside down. Now this is the Lego Millennium Falcon. I'm gonna stick this thing here. See, look, and here's the cool details, and here's the thing, and here's the door to open and close. This, I modified it a bit. Oops, see, I modified it a bit. Yeah, I modified it a bit so it doesn't look nice lah. And something cannot really build because it's very hot. And there's a cockpit here. Here where you do put the people inside, but the people doesn't actually fit inside. Yeah, see. Because this is mini scale. Yeah. So this mini scale is hot lah. Thing. And at the back here we modified it a bit. It looks so different. See, right? You can see it. It's Lego Star Wars. And we have the back gun. See, got gun here. And the back can shoot. Even the front also can shoot here. This thing can rotate anywhere and shoot it. And that's pretty all much. And this here is in front, and this is a midi scale, so it's not that big. So we can just hold it one hand or two hands just in case it might fall off. It's pretty cool actually. Yeah. Something gone wrong. Yep. It's take a while to build. Here you can put, see this? Here. That's how we build it. Yeah. Here you just snap it. And this thing we modified it on the, because something is lost. Yep. And can open. And this thing can open. Just like that. And this thing can move a bit. And there's the antenna. You can move around and then spin a bit. See, you can rotate. That, and that is cool. So, and yeah, that's pretty much all we have done. It took very long to build. That just flew off. that's it. We built the Lego Star Wars. Lego Millennium Falcon, Lego Star Wars finished. And yep, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to subscribe and comment down below for another toys review. It's Jared toys review, and we are building. Yep. And thank you guys for watching, and bye. Blah.